So at the top of these stairs here is our apartment, which is Folly East. We have a kitchen with a cooking area and a washing up area and a microwave. And from the kitchen you can see out across the camping field. And then we have the dining area, nice dining table that Ollie has laid out for us, which is nice. And then we have a seating area, nice little lounge area. And then directly opposite the lounge, we come across to the balcony. Unfortunately, it has just started to rain.
Doesn't seem like warm rain, does it?
It is warm rain, so behave yourself. There's a lovely pool outside. I'll take some nice photos when it's sunny as well. And then we have the double bedroom here, which is a decent sized double bedroom. Then we have a bathroom and a shower. And then in this door we have a toilet. A separate toilet, there you go, look, another toilet. And then in this room we have the twin room, which has got a little monster from hell in it.
It does not.
2 beds, dressing table, and a little chest of drawers. Overall, really like this. It's lovely, isn't it, Ollie?
Yeah.
Told.
I don't think they can't see me.
Yes, it can. Told you the Isle of Wight was an island of wonderment, didn't I?
Well, it's raining.
It's warm rain though. Warm rain. So this is the view from the balcony here in Folly East at Appuldurcombe Holiday Park. Appuldurcombe Gardens Caravan Park. I think that's what its official name is. You can see down here we've got a little veranda area where you can sit out in the sunshine if it's sunny, which is not going to be today, disappointingly. But you've got a lovely pool. The pool is really good. I love the pool here. It's really nice. And we've got some nice sun lounges and stuff. And over there we have the old camp shop, which is now some lodges. And beyond that we can see the laundry and the toilet block and the house for, I don't know actually who lives there anymore, but it used to always be the owner, Tony, who lived there. And then over here on the right hand side we've got the walled orchard, which is where the actual caravans are, the static caravans that you can hire. We've never stayed in those, but we have been in them. We have had friends who have stayed in them, and they were really nice. However, that was 30 years ago. So I've looked at the pictures on the internet and they still look really nice. So that's a good option for you. And then you've got Folly West over there, which is the other apartment above the bar area and the cafe. And then down here, underneath these skylights, you've got the bar and the cafe, which we'll show in a different video. You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.